Welcome back. Walking out to the garage now. So if you saw the last video, we were talking about the door protection film for the Dodge Challenger. Quick look at it. Oh, here it is. Boom. Make sure you check it out. They make them for all sorts of cars, so if you're worried about protecting your paint underneath that door handle, they're cheap, it's easy, definitely recommend it. This one, as you saw in the title, is all about the door pockets for the Jeep JK. Nets are blown out, got to replace it. Tired of not being able to use what little accessory space or pocket space they have in the Jeep, so we've got to get that fixed. Let's jump to it. So here we are. We have the door pockets. They're actually cup holders and the replacements for a Jeep JK, and they're really bad, poorly designed netting that they use on the doors. You know, in manufacturing and R&D, I don't think they expected them to last 7 years, but mine have given out. They gave out a long time ago. And a good friend of mine, Matt Price, who has a Gladiator, check it out, I think it's ATL Gladiator. If you search YouTube, I'm sure you'll find out. It's actually Chrome Donkey, just came to mind, Mr. Chrome Donkey. But he has these for his new Gladiator, and I was like, man, I need to get some of those. Mine are blown out. It's ridiculous. I put my wallet in there and I close the door and the door doesn't close because it sags so much. So these will be a really welcome replacement. You can see it's upside down, but you got a cup holder and it gives you a nice little compartment to put your wallet or whatever accessories you have. So these are super easy. There's a bunch of them out there. I mean, he made a video on it, so again, check his out because they are a little bit different model, different brand of manufacturer, but these will be nice to, again, replace that netting that has finally failed. So let's go ahead and dive into it. It should take a couple of minutes, and maybe come up with some best practices. If I see some errors in the manufacturing or find a better way to attach these, perhaps they're a little bit loose. I don't know. We'll find out. This will be a good way to test. And maybe put some button head screws. I've already got some ideas on how to make this a little bit better without destroying anything or messing up the aesthetics. So let's get into it.
One week later.
Apparently Madison wants to show you around. You want to show him the cup holders in the Jeep? They're right over here. Go look in the door in the Jeep. Go look in the door in the Jeep. You want to show them? Point to those cup holders right here. You see these? See those? You want to point to them? Yeah. You like those? Yeah, they're pretty durable too, huh? No, in all fairness, well, notice she's actually pulling them off. They're very durable. I mentioned I may have to put in some screws, but they've been, I mean, perfect. It's astonishing, actually. So if I look in the back real quick, I know the lighting's horrendous. But these, well, that's not the bad one. That one's actually okay. I don't know what happened, but that one over there literally just sags for days. But here, you'll notice, I mean, it's got tons of room for a cup. Put the wallet in there, put the wallet to the side. Even with the wallet putting pressure. There's a bunch of manufacturers out there, but I would recommend just clicking on the link that I have in the description because these are worth it. Again, my buddy Matt has them for his Gladiator, but this is a 9-year-old vehicle, whatever. 70, I don't know, I've lost count at this point. But it's good. You want to say something, Madison? You like them? You like the Jeep, don't you? Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Have a good day. No, thanks again, everybody. She's sitting there. She loves Daddy's Jeep. Say bye. Make sure you comment, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to stay in touch. And we got more stuff coming. Thanks again. Bye.